My dear madams, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the exclusive the Resham Minakari Pashmina waves saree, lightweighted breathable material with elegant patterns in affordable price point. Normally, this saree we are sold in 5,500 range, but right now we are providing you this saree in affordable price point just rupees 2,695 rupees free shipping all over India, and we have more than 4,500 plus designs in different category, different price point and luxurious feel foil. That's my guarantee. We have same designs with a 5 different color options. Let me show you the one by one. Firstly, I will introduce the all 5 color combinations and one your personal favorite product, the full look of this saree. Here you can see the first one is a half white color combination with a contrast Resham Minakari border. The same size border you receive the both side with elegant the same pink color combination, the Resham thread tassel spot. Here you can see the second color options, the pista green color combination with the same border part. Third one is a mango gold color combination. Here you can see the mango yellow color combinations in entire the body with the same designs with the same elegant patterns. Here you can see the fourth color options with a purple bangani color combinations, and last but not the least your favorites carbon black color combination. Look at the depth of this carbon black color combination. Let me show you the one best selling color combination, the bangani color combinations. This saree you received at just rupees 2,695 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and our customer care executive number is 8154000063, and you can call with any time with any language support. Total we are providing 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil and Gujarati. Look at the beauty of this full pallu part. Here you can see the traditional motifs with no animal elegance butta. It's rich pallu parts with the Resham Minakari detailings. Look at the beauty of this big size pallu with a lots of Resham thread works in entire the pallu and border part with a Rama color combination Resham thread tassels part. Let me show you the full look of this saree. Entire the body you receive the totally plain with a both side you receive the same size border part. Here you can see the both side you receive the same size border with a Resham Minakari weaves with a totally plain body and a light weighted breathable soft silk material. The saree you received at just rupees 2,695 free shipping all over India with a contrast color combination, the golden zari butta in entire the blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.